Down here at FabSpeed today. Beautiful facility, love it here. These guys are always welcoming to us. But we're going to install PPF film on the front bumper of this McLaren 720S and also on the rear bumper. Had a little bit of an issue where it got hot with the old PPF. We took that off, so we're going to replace it now with some new PPF. We're going with I believe 3M is what's already on this, so we're just replacing what's on there. But yeah, so rear end and front bumper today. So be a fun job, and it's always a pleasure to be in this beautiful facility. Take a look at this. Magnificent. So I just removed the film off this car. It pulled off the back bumper. The front bumper's fine. The back bumper pulled off super crazy easy. It's super smooth, like really soft, like it's has a ceramic coating on it. Like, I don't know who put PPF film over that, but that was bound to come off sooner or later. So what we're gonna have to do to fix this, to put the new film on it, is buff off the coating, because it's definitely coated this vehicle. I see the way it beads up when I washed it, and the softness of this speaks volume. I hit it with body prep, wax and grease remover, didn't change a thing. So next step is buff it off and see where we go from there. Hopefully this turns out nice and stays on the PPF film. Alright, I just got done buffing it down. I used D300 McGuire's cut disc. Feels pretty good. I mean, still got a little here along this seam, I can feel it. Other than that, and right in this valley here, feels, I can hear it squeaking now. Just a little, you know, got most of that coating off. It wasn't that strong of a coating anyway. I mean, I can feel it along this ridge line here. So I just gotta get to my Mini, go over everything and tighten those areas up. I'll be done with this, then I can install the film.